Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm James and this is the Aeromite RC plane which I've built off of a set of plans. I have a complete build series on how I constructed this plane, so if you're interested in that, you can check it out. I'll leave a link to that playlist at the end of this video. But today I'm not here to talk about my Aeromite. I'm here to share with you another Aeromite that was built by one of our viewers. Okay, so Murat from Istanbul, Turkey watched my build series and he built the Aeromite. And he contacted me and he sent me some pictures, some in-progress build pictures, his finished Aeromite, some specifications, and a short video of some of his test flights. And he did a real good job, so let me go ahead and show you that. And then when I get finished with that, I'll come back and I will give you some information on how you can obtain the plans if you want to build this plane as well. Okay, well first up we have an in-progress build shot. Looks like he's got his fuselage mostly finished. He's got to work up on the top, it looks like. And then he's laid down his main spar and his rear spar for the wing, and you can see there he's got a few of his ribs set. Okay, so here's another in-progress build shot. Now we're further along, and you can see he's got the top of the fuselage now finished. He has the rudder and the elevator mounted, it looks like, and he also has the wing pretty far along. Looks like he still has to do his forward sheeting and also the wingtips, but looks very good. And one thing I didn't mention before is that he has an electric setup. He's running the motor on this, and you can see up there on the front, sort of on the firewall in the front of the fuselage there, he's got his mount holes for his motor. And over here in the picture I spotted his rib templates. Very cool. And here's a great picture of the build progress. You can see here that the fuselage looks like it's pretty much finished. He's got his forward hatch constructed, and you can see that he's got his motor mounted, and the wing looks beautiful. You know, if you look closely at it, he did a great job on the sheeting. It just looks perfect. You know, he's got his wingtip, looks like it's nicely sanded. And then the thing that I really like to kind of zoom in on is that the cap strips look great as well. So yeah, did a really great job on the wing and the fuselage, and the plane just looks really good. So now further along in the build, obviously he's got the wing covered, did a great job on the wing covering. And this is just a little detail shot of the aileron servo with the connecting rods and the hardware connecting to the ailerons. Looks really good. And here's a nice picture of the forward hatch. Obviously it attaches with a screw. Here's an inside shot of the hatch. And here's a nice detail shot of the connecting rod coming out of the fuselage and connecting to the elevator control horn. Looks really good. I like that red stripe. And here's a detail shot of the landing gear mounts. You know, the landing gear was kind of a challenge, so good job on that one. And here's a detail of the tail wheel bracket. It looks like it's the one from Dubro. And here's a shot of his servos, which are EMAX ES3301s. Here's his motor, which is an EMAX XA2212 Outrunner. Here he's using the Hobbywing Skywalker ESC. And last but not least, here's his LiPo battery, which is a 1300 milliamp hour 3S 11.1 volt by Power Extra. And here it is, the finished Aeromite by Murat. He did a great job. I like his finish. I like that red stripe. And he's got his motor mounted there. Obviously he's got the landing gear set up, and it's got that tilt back in it, which was per the plans. And the thing I like about it a lot also is that he put these red and blue roundels on the bottom of the wing, which is very helpful for, you know, orienting the plane when you're flying it. It's a good idea to do that. So you'll see that in the upcoming video.
Hala biraz burun yukarıda galiba. Yani dengesiz gidiyor. Enteresan şey. Biraz daha vereyim mi down elevator? Ha? Abi, burun biraz hafif kaldı gibi. Dengesiz çünkü çekiyorsun yükseliyor bak. Veriyorsun, indiriyor. Ha, gibi. Aksalıyor, görüyor musun? Şişiyor şimdi. Ben de kurşunu var yanımda. Hemen bir kurşun operasyonu yapalım. Sürmeyi deneyelim.
Well, there you have it, everybody. That was Murat's Aeromite, and congratulations, Murat. You did an awesome job building it and, of course, flying it, and I really do appreciate you sharing your build with us. You did a great job, so yeah, very, very good. Congratulations. I enjoyed your flight video. You know, I know those early flights with a plane can be a little nerve-wracking. You have to trim the plane out, you have to balance it, and you have to learn how to fly a new plane. So you did a great job on that. You had a great landing. Now, Murat did tell me through email that he is going to probably change out the servos, maybe get a little bit bigger servo. So maybe he'll provide that information later, and I'll share that with you if he does. So in any case, great job. And again, congratulations, Murat. I really appreciate you sending me that. And so if you are interested and you want to build this Aeromite RC plane like I did, like Murat did, and hopefully others are doing on the channel here, you can get a set of free plans fairly easy. The website that I like to use is out of the UK, and it is a free website. You do not need to have an account, and you just go on there and you can do a search, type in Aeromite RC plane, and it'll take you to the page that has plans for this plane. And you can download in PDF form, you can download the plan set, and you can also download, they give you the small article that came with it. So this plan set came out of a magazine in the 1990s, so they give you that article, which is pretty cool. It has some information, not a whole bunch of information, but some information on building, so check it out. Now, if you don't go to that website, go online and just, again, type in Aeromite RC plane, and you'll see probably a handful of other ones. Some of them, they require you to have an account or like a login and an account. Some of them are free sites, and some of them maybe you have to pay a little bit to actually get the plans. But in any case, they're not too hard to get. So grab yourself a set of plans if you're interested in this plane and build it. You'll enjoy it. It's a great flying plane. All right, so thank you again, Murat, for sharing your Aeromite with us. And thank you, everybody, for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.